Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The Body Centre is an accident repair and vehicle refinishing centre based in Norfolk. We have a passion for repairing and customising vehicles to the highest standard possible. Come with us behind the scenes and follow our journey. Hi everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. Today we have something extremely special on site. I can confirm that this is the most expensive car we have ever had on site. It's coming up to £400,000. It's the Lamborghini Murcielago SV. Now it's finished in the Grigio Telesto. I'm sure that's the colour name. There's only 350 of these cars. This is number 328, so it's very, very rare. It's got Alcantara everywhere. It's got the orange stitching, the orange SV on the quarter panel, which is painted on. The extra for that from factory will be in the tens of thousands, I would be very sure of. The car's insane, absolutely insane. Not a massive job either. The whole front end of the car is covered in sprayable PPF. It's actually been coloured. This isn't a clear PPF spray. The company who done it have actually tinted the sprayable PPF and painted the front end. So we're going to be removing all of that to see what damage is left on the front end. Now the main parts are just the front bumper. We definitely know we have to paint the front bumper. Hopefully the bonnet wings can be saved and we won't have to repaint them. As you can see, the carbon fibre weave through the paintwork. So we don't want to have too much build up to lose that weave. So let's get into the workshop. Let's strip this monster down and go to the next stage. So guys, as you can see, we are now in the mixing room. The front bumper has been rubbed down. Luckily, we saved the bumper and the bonnet and the wings. They don't need paint, so yeah, a very simple job, just painting the front bumper. It's looking awesome. As you all know, if you're watching and you're in the trade, the prep is the most important part. It needs to be perfect before that paint goes on. Luckily, we have one of the best teams in the industry for that, and Adam has the job of applying this paint. The bumper is now in the booth. David is now panel wiping it down using an anti-stat gun to remove any static energy from that part. I know it's plastic, but we do it anyway. So no dirt is drawn to the wet paint. Color-wise, nothing crazy in all honesty. It's a nice solid grey. No special effects in there, so colour matching has been very, very straightforward. We haven't used our colour cameras on this job, no need. We have two for our speed checker and glass. We have two cameras which we use, which obviously help us out massively on them tricky colours. But yeah, it's all good. Adam's now going to be putting the paint on. We are using Speed Secker 480 line, premium brand, one of the best you could buy, as you all know. Just a little sort of indication of cost-wise on some of these colours that we paint here. So we have here a fantasy gold for the Speed Secker. Now this tin retails around about £2,300 a litre. Sorry, that's a litre. £2,300 a litre. Quarter of a litre here, so sort of 500 odd pound in this one tin. As you can see behind me, there's a massive scheme there which we stock up all the time due to all the colour sort of variations that we have here on site. We're not we always have crazy colours coming through here. We're not a sort of standard shop, as you all know. So yeah, that's what we got here, Jake. Let's have a look at the guns. So Adam's going to be putting on this paint with his DV1s. I think we've got about 6 of these now. Adam bugged me for ages for these guns. In all honesty, I wanted to get some as well because they look so cool. And they are real state of the art. Now, we said to Adam before he got these guns, we're not just going to buy these guns, give them to you, and then you don't like them. So what Adam done is he put them to the test. Adam used his old GTI, and we got obviously the DV1s on demo, and Adam tested how much material or product this would save over the course of a month. Now these are known for not using nowhere near as much material or product as the older guns. So yeah, over the space of a month, Adam compared his old gun to the new gun, told us what it's going to save, and we ordered one straight away. Massive, massive saving. Great technology, really, really good guns. Let's get into the booth, guys, and put this paint on. So guys, the Lamborghini is now complete. It looks absolutely brilliant. An awesome coat of paint by Adam. as you can see, guys, this car is next level. It's very, very expensive. Now, a lot of people ask us, is it daunting working on these types of cars? In all honesty, no, it's not. Every single car is the same. I have behind me here a Renault Zoe, a VW Tiguan, a Lotus, we've got a GTR. There's a lot of normal cars that we work on, along with these high-end supercars, prestige cars. We treat every single car exactly the same. This Zoe will have the exact same treatment as this brand new Range Rover here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It was a pleasure to work on this car, and a massive, massive thank you to Richard at Appreciating Classics. We've been working with these guys now for many, many years. I actually think before the business was even launched, we were doing cars for ACL. So thanks, Appreciating Classics. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and all our social media pages. We'll see you next time.